Alright guys, there's one last section or part of 12.1 that I didn't cover last time. It's actually finding the sum of a series. And as part of that, one thing we want to note here is that the index of summation, the letter I doesn't have to always be used. In example 5 here, they use the letter K. Any letter you like is fine. And then just as long as whatever letter you use there, you're utilizing the inside for your rule. Okay. So here they're using the letter K. And we're going to take the summation and come up with the actual sum of the entire series. So we're going to take, I've hidden the part of the answer here just so we can talk about it a bit. But you want to take, go from 4 to 8 and put, the 4 and square, put it there, put a 5, put in there, square, put the 6 and go so forth and so on, putting the number in there, squaring it and adding 3 to it. So that's what we want to do with this example. So let's start. I'll just go by erasing this part here, and it shows you all of that for you. You go from 4 to 8, as it's done in the summation notation, and you square that number along the way, and then you add 3 to each of those, and then add it all up. So it's a pretty big number and quite a bit of work. But I'll do it for you as quick as possible here. So this is going to be 16 plus 3, which is 19. This is going to be 25 plus 3, which is 28. 36 plus 3, which is 39. 49 plus 3, which is 52. And 64 plus 3 is 67. So you would take those numbers and add them up to get your total answer. And for the, don't waste your time. You can all add those up on your own and just get one number. Okay? So that's how that works. Again, one last thing again, you can begin at any number and use any letter when doing the notations. So you're going to, and there are some special rules, but I'm not a big fan of them. Just real quick here. So you go from 1 to some number and you're just going to add them up. So let's say you're going from 1 to 4, you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So you just keep putting a 1 over here, and then you're adding along as you go. Okay. There's other ones here, but I just don't think they're significant to even talk about. So let's look at a few examples for you, and I'll give you some homework on these. So it says find the sum of the series. Again, I'm going from 1 to 5. So there's going to be 5 numbers that are being added up. And 1 to 5 is going to be multiplied by 8. So it's going to be 8 times 1 plus 8 times 2 plus 8 times 3 plus 8 times 4 plus 8 times 5. So I have 8 plus 16 plus 24 plus 32 plus 40. And then you add all those up for your answer. I'll try to do it quick for you. So 72, 80, 96, 120. That's the answer. I'll do, I'm not going to do number 12. I'll do number 11 yet, and you guys can do the homework. I'm going from 3 to 7. So that's, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 5 numbers that will be added up. And I score each number and subtract 1, and then add those sums. All right, so putting a 3 squared is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. That's the first number. Go to 4. 4 squared, 16. 16 minus 1, 15. I'll put a 5 in there. 5 squared, 25. 25 minus 1 is 24. 6 squared, 36 minus 1 is 35. Oops, 35. And the last one is 7. 7 squared is 49 minus 1 is 48. I add a 48 to that. So you add all those up, and that's your answer. So they're pretty simple to do. All right, folks, good luck.